Hey, this is SculptOK. Let's take a look at our gallery. We've got over 15,000 high-quality depth maps in the gallery, ready to download and carve. The gallery has a ton of depth maps covering all kinds of topics. You can just browse around or search by tags to find what you need. Tap any image to open its detail page. You can download images you like with credits. You get credits by checking in daily or buying a membership. New users get some free credits when they sign up. The credits you spend go straight to the person who uploaded it. Go to your personal portfolio from there. There you can edit your profile, add your Facebook, change your nickname and bio, make it your own. You can also upload your own depth maps to the gallery and share them. Every time someone downloads your work, you earn credits. In the Portfolio's gallery section, you can see details of your uploads, how many likes and comments they got, plus your favorites and inbox. In the gallery, you can follow anyone, send them a message, or block and report someone if you need to. You can also hit the share to post it on social media. Thanks for using SculptOK. Like and subscribe to us.